Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for shesaved.com, and I'm super excited to share with you that in partnership with our friends from the Toy Insider, we've got this sweet at home box to unbox featuring Party in Box, and we can't wait to see what's inside.
Oh,
Ooh, how cool!
they're so pretty.
I love it. Did that float up when you opened that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. And it is really hot here, so those balloons are probably so happy to be out of that box. What is that?
Oh, I think it's a cake server.
Very cool. Okay. Let's see what else is in here.
I think this might be a cake.
It has a party in a box. Okay, let me see. Is there a place you can open that? Let's see. And then what else is in here?
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so this is what all came in this big box. This is cake, please refrigerate ASAP. So that's kind of exciting. Then we have our cake cutter, which we will open up. Do you want to open this?
Yes.
Oh, how fun!
That's awesome.
That literally is a party in a box. That's so cool. Let's see, got a little plate.
Some napkins. Some little plastic ones. And some forks.
How fun is that? What a fun little thing to send someone. And sparkling apple juice. Oh, that's so cool. Party in a box, and this looks like a cake, so let's get this open. It's so fun to be able to send these kinds of things, and I'm just so impressed with the innovative way that these companies do that. Oh, how cute is that? That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Now we need to open up our little cake server. That is darling. Oh, what else is in there? So that's ice in there. And then we have the little cake server here. Let's open that and we'll take a look at that. And I'm going to show them this cake again. That is so cute. You got your little napkins and all of your fun things. I keep saying this, but it's literally a party in a box, right? So fun. And then you also have these balloons.
Ooh, fancy.
That is fancy.
That's pretty.
Wow, that's so pretty. This is really actually super a fancy, fun little gift to send someone. Very cool. Okay, well that is our look at Party in Box, and I will leave links down below to where you can find out how to have your own Party in Box or send it to someone you love. Such a neat gift idea. This is Carrie Lynn and Lauren for shesaved.com.